Hey friends, Brigid here with Rooted Sky Homestead, and today we are making a rose cordial. So as you can see, there are these beautiful white roses. This is known in Ohio as Multiflora rose. It is considered an invasive, and it is also a gorgeous, gorgeous plant that likes to climb. So we have a really robust one growing in our backyard, and it's walking very slowly up the black walnut tree, which is exciting. What I've done is I've collected a nice bowl full, probably about 4 cups worth of stems, flowers, and leaves, and I'm chopping them up to place them into the mason jar with 3/4 of brandy. You can use any alcohol that's 40% or higher. So I'm choosing brandy, and 1/4 of raw honey. This is making an elixir, or also known as a cordial. It's a little more palatable for me than just straight tincture, which is usually without the honey. And this is going to sit for 6 to 8 weeks in a cool, dark space before I pour everything off and use it as a medicinal. Now, a couple things about wild rose, any rose really, but we're going to focus on Multiflora rose right now. There's a lot of vitamin C in roses, as well as cardiovascular health. Some of them are able to, Multiflora rose is very cooling. So in the summer, when you think about being overheated, this is a really nice companion plant to help keep you cool. It has loads of vitamins. Also, it is an anti-inflammatory. And they also consider it a nervine, which means it relaxes you. So be interested in rose whenever you get a chance. You can collect only the petals and make a tea. You can do that with it being fresh or dry. I have a ton of petals drying right now. In the fall, it will develop hips, and you can wait until after the first frost to collect the rose hips and add those to a tea. I found with Multiflora rose there are very, very fine hairs in the hips, so be sure to strain it through a cheesecloth. Wherever you are and however you are, I hope you're doing well today.